Imagine a smartwatch that doesn't just sit on your wrist but becomes your ultimate companion for adventures, fitness, and everyday life. That's exactly what the Garmin Instinct 3 promises to deliver. Whether you're scaling rugged mountain trails, navigating dense urban landscapes, or simply tracking your daily health metrics, this watch is built to keep up with your lifestyle. With its military-grade durability, cutting-edge GPS accuracy, and a choice between a vibrant AMOLED display or a solar-powered model with virtually unlimited battery life, the Instinct 3 stands out as a versatile tool for both outdoor enthusiasts and tech-savvy users. But does it live up to the hype? In this review, I'll take you through every aspect of the Garmin Instinct 3, from its robust design and advanced health tracking features to its smart capabilities and real-world performance, to help you decide if this rugged smartwatch is worth the investment. Design and build quality. The Garmin Instinct 3 showcases a remarkable evolution in rugged smartwatch design, combining military-grade durability with everyday wearability. The metal-reinforced bezel represents a significant upgrade from previous models, offering enhanced protection against impacts while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. The fiber-reinforced polymer case now features improved ergonomics with slightly curved lugs that better conform to the wrist. Available in both 45mm and 50mm sizes, the watch caters to different wrist sizes without compromising on functionality. The 45mm version weighs a modest 52 g, while the 50mm model comes in at 58 g, both surprisingly lightweight considering their robust construction. The watch meets military-grade MILSTD 810 standards for thermal, shock, and impact resistance, and boasts water resistance up to 100 meters. The button guards have been redesigned to provide better protection while maintaining easy accessibility, and the new quick-release band system allows for tool-free strap changes. The watch is available in various color options, including graphite, tidal blue, flame red, and desert tan, each featuring a matte finish that resists fingerprints and scratches. Display and interface. The introduction of dual display options marks a significant milestone for the Instinct series. The AMOLED version features a stunning 1.2-inch display, 390 by 390 pixels, on the 45mm model and a larger 1.3 display, 416 by 416 pixels, on the 50mm variant. Both screens utilize Corning Gorilla Glass DX for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. The AMOLED displays offer exceptional color vibrancy and contrast, with customizable always-on display settings and 5 levels of brightness adjustment. The solar version retains the signature monochrome memory in pixel (MIP) display but introduces improved power glass technology that's 30% more efficient at solar charging than its predecessor. The interface remains button-controlled, featuring 5 physical buttons strategically placed around the bezel. The menu structure has been completely revamped with a more intuitive layout, featuring customizable widgets and quick access to frequently used functions. The watch faces are now highly customizable with up to 6 data fields, and the new glance feature allows quick access to important information with just a button press. Health and fitness features. The Instinct 3's health monitoring capabilities have been significantly expanded. The Elevate V4 optical heart rate sensor provides continuous heart rate monitoring with improved accuracy during high-intensity activities. The advanced sleep tracking system now includes detailed sleep stages analysis, providing insights into light, deep, and REM sleep patterns. The new Sleep Coach feature offers personalized recommendations based on your sleep quality and patterns. Body battery energy monitoring has been enhanced with more accurate recovery metrics and stress tracking. The watch introduces new specialized training features including Pace Pro for grade-adjusted pace guidance, daily suggested workouts that adapt to your fitness level and recovery status, and Recovery Time Advisor. The VO2 max estimation has been improved to account for trail running and altitude adjustments. Women's health tracking now includes more comprehensive menstrual cycle tracking with physical and emotional symptom logging, and pregnancy tracking with gestational age-specific content and reminders. Performance and accuracy. The Instinct 3 sets new standards in GPS accuracy with its multi-band satellite support and SatIQ technology. The watch can simultaneously connect to GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou satellite systems, providing exceptional positioning accuracy even in challenging environments like urban canyons and dense forests. The new SatIQ technology intelligently switches between different GPS modes to optimize battery life while maintaining accuracy. The watch includes advanced metrics for various activities, including running dynamics, when paired with a compatible sensor, cycling power analysis, and swimming efficiency metrics. The barometric altimeter has been improved with continuous calibration, providing more accurate elevation data. The watch now supports real-time stamina tracking, showing both potential and current stamina during activities to help prevent overexertion. The new track run mode provides highly accurate pace and distance measurements on standard running tracks, while the ultra run mode includes rest timer and specialized metrics for endurance activities. Battery life. Battery performance varies significantly between models and usage patterns. The AMOLED models offer impressive endurance with up to 24 days in smartwatch mode and 23 hours of continuous GPS tracking. Battery life can be extended using various power management features, including customizable battery saver modes and smart notification settings. The solar versions pushed the boundaries of battery life even further, with the 50mm model capable of up to 40 days in smartwatch mode under normal conditions, and potentially unlimited operation with adequate solar exposure. In GPS mode, the solar models can achieve up to 60 hours of continuous tracking, extendable to 260 hours with solar charging in battery saver mode. The new Power Manager feature provides detailed information about battery consumption and allows users to create custom power modes for different activities. The watch also includes a battery remaining indicator that shows both percentage and estimated days/hours remaining based on current usage patterns. Smart features. The Instinct 3 incorporates a comprehensive suite of smart features that enhance its functionality beyond traditional fitness tracking. The built-in LED flashlight is now more versatile with variable intensities and a strobe mode that can be used for visibility during night activities or emergencies. Garmin Pay support has been expanded to include more banks and card issuers worldwide. The smart notification system has been refined to provide better filtering options and quick replies for both Android and iOS users. The new Garmin Messenger feature enables two-way satellite communication, subscription required, for enhanced safety during remote adventures. Music controls allow seamless interaction with your smartphone's audio playback. The watch also includes weather forecasting with storm alerts, calendar synchronization, and Find My Phone/watch features. The new incident detection feature can automatically alert emergency contacts with your location if it detects a fall or accident during activities. Navigation. While not offering full mapping capabilities like higher-end Garmin models, the Instinct 3 provides robust navigation features suitable for outdoor adventures. The point-to-point navigation system has been enhanced with improved waypoint management and the ability to store up to 500 waypoints. The breadcrumb trail feature now offers color coding on AMOLED models to indicate elevation changes along your route. The trackback feature has been upgraded to include automatic route optimization when returning to your starting point. The ABC sensors, altimeter, barometer, compass, have been improved with faster calibration and better accuracy. The barometric altimeter now includes storm alerts based on rapid pressure changes. The compass features electronic calibration and supports both true and magnetic north readings. Integration with the Garmin Explore app enables detailed topographic maps and route planning on your smartphone, which can then be transferred to the watch. Price structure. The Instinct 3 series offers various models to suit different budgets and needs. The base 45mm AMOLED model starts at $449.99, while the 50mm version commands $499.99. The solar versions begin at $399.99, offering a more affordable entry point for those prioritizing battery life over display technology. The new budget-friendly Instinct E model, starting at $299, provides essential features while maintaining the core durability and reliability of the series. Bundle packages are available that include additional bands or sensors, typically offering a 10 to 15% savings compared to purchasing components separately. Garmin also offers a trade-in program that can provide up to $100 credit toward a new device. All models come with a standard 1-year warranty, with options to extend coverage through Garmin's protection plan. So, should you buy it? The Garmin Instinct 3 is an impressive upgrade that balances rugged durability with modern smartwatch functionality. Its AMOLED display caters to users seeking vibrant visuals without compromising too much on battery life. Meanwhile, outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate its robust build quality, exceptional GPS accuracy, and long-lasting battery. However, it does have limitations. The lack of full mapping capabilities might deter some advanced users who require detailed navigation tools. Additionally, using an older heart rate sensor feels like a missed opportunity given Garmin's reliance on health metrics. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable adventure companion that doubles as an everyday smartwatch with top-tier health tracking capabilities, and you're willing to invest in its premium price tag, the Garmin Instinct 3 is well worth considering.